Understanding, not as much as in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, not as much as. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's get started. Not as much as is a comparative phrase used to indicate that something is lesser in quantity, degree, or intensity compared to another thing. For example, I like apples, but not as much as I like oranges. This means I like oranges more than apples. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. She studies hard, but not as much as her brother. Her brother studies harder. This book is interesting, but not as much as the last one I read. The last book was more interesting. A common mistake is using not as much as in the wrong context. Remember, it's used for comparing and should not be confused with expressions that denote a simple negative, like not much. The phrase can be varied slightly while keeping its meaning. For instance, he doesn't play the guitar as much as he plays the piano. He plays the piano more. They don't travel as much as they used to. They used to travel more. Try creating your own sentences using not as much as. This will help solidify your understanding. Here's a start. I enjoy cooking, but not as much as underscore 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 underscore. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, not as much as, and how it's used in English. Keep practicing, and you'll find it becoming a natural part of your English conversations. Until next time, happy learning!